Solve the equation. One number x plus 6 equal to x equal minus 4. Two number a minus 3 equal 4. A 4 plus 3 equals 7. Three number x plus 3 equals 6. X equals 6 minus 3 equals 3. Four number a minus 2 equals 0. So a equal plus 2. Phone number 1 equal y minus 7. 1 plus 7 equal y. Y equal 8. 6 number 7x minus 6 equal 1. So 7x equal 1 plus 6. 7x equal 7. X equal 7. 7 number a plus 2 1 by 2 equal 5. This is mixed fraction. So a plus 2 plus 1 by 2 equal 5. A plus 2 to the 4. 4 plus 1 by 2 equal 5. A equal plus 5 by 2 equal 5. A equal 5 minus 5 by 2 equal 10 by 10 minus 5 by 2 equal 5 by 2. 8 number y plus 10 equal 20. Y equal 20 minus 10 equal 10. 9 number x plus 0.4 equal 2.4. Y x equal 2.4 minus 0.4 equal 2. 10 number p plus 0.6 equal 1. P equal 1 minus 0.6 equal 0.6 equal to 0.4. 11 number 5x equal 10. X equal 10 by 5 equal 2. 11 number 4x equal 16. X equal 16 by 4 equal 4. 4 4s are 16. X equal 4. 13 p plus 0.6 equal 3.6. P equal 3.6 minus 0.6 equal 3 equal to 3. 14 number 8x equal 14. X equal 14 by 8. 2 7s are 14. 2 4s are 8. X equal 7 by 4. 15 number minus 3p equal 24. Minus p equal 24 by 3. Minus p equal 8. So p equal minus 8. Thank you.